Good morning everyone. Today I have brought a new video that is related with the alcohol phenols chapter. In this chapter we are having so many reactions. इसमें सबसे डिफ़िकल्ट लगने वाला रिएक्शन है वो है हाइड्रोपोरेशन रिएक्शन. हाइड्रोपोरेशन रिएक्शन इज जनरली is also known as a oxidation reaction. So today we will see the mechanism of this oxidation reaction. Okay, let's start. For example, if we take the example that alkenes when get mixed with diborane compound, it will form a intermediate of hydrogen sulfate, alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on hydrolysis with water give primary alcohols, which will give primary or secondary alcohols. This is the general reaction where this is a general formula for hydroporation reaction. Now I will explain you the exact mechanism of this reaction. First step देखो, first step is formation of carbocation intermediate. Now in this reaction you can see the hydroxyl ions of the sulfuric acids get dissolved over the alkene group. The hydrogen will work on this oxygen which is carrying the carbocation molecules, and then the product will form oxygen of water carrying 2 lone pair of electrons get divided to form the compound. अब यहाँ पे और एक चीज़ होती है, that means यहाँ पे जो डबल बॉन्ड है वो सिंगल बॉन्ड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. डबल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड में कन्वर्ट होके ये जो कार्बन है वो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कार्बोकटायन ग्रुप में कन्वर्ट होता है. ओके, then we are having the next step where the second step में न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक हो जाता है. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक अटैक ऑफ वाटर कंपाउंड का जो ऑक्सीजन है जहाँ पे लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है ऑन द कार्बन एटम. अभी जनरली ये रिएक्शन में क्या होता है, जो तुम्हारा अल्कीन है डबल बॉन्ड वाला कंपाउंड, they started reacting with this oxygen and along with that 2 hydrogens are there na. So how they react, this lone pair of electron will attack on this double bond and they will ask the carbon to release this, and because of that the bond will form where the compounds get break and your oxygen become positive where the hydrogens get attached. So this reaction is known as nucleophilic attack of oxygen. And then third step, that is the final step, the third step is deprotonation. To form इथेनॉल. जैसे प्राइमरी अल्कोहल का ग्रुप लिया है यहाँ पे, तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट आपको मिला है न्यूक्लियोफिलिक कंपाउंड के साथ, सो वी विल ब्रेक दिस कंपाउंड over to the hydrogen atom with the help of carbocations. This positive hydrogen convert this oxygen and with the help of water they will form the primary alcohol with the borate ions, with the hydronic ions. So like this way you have to utilize your reaction with the three general steps. Again I am explaining carbocations, that is when we have the hydroporation oxidation reaction, the first attack which is going on this alkene, that is the formation of carbocation intermediate with the help of sulfuric acid, that is with the help of ion charges of the sulfuric acid compound, and then the nucleophilic attack towards the water compound to form your intermediate group, and finally deprotonation to form the alcohols. So everyone, please observe this reaction very careful and make sure that this reaction you are able to do on your own with respect to primary or secondary alcohols. Both the alcohols you can prepare by this hydroboration compounds. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.